today dear girl of class 9C has got a golden opportunity to conduct today's special morning virtual assembly. We all are here to welcome the new year 2021. New Year is a time when we come together to celebrate, to reflect and look towards the future. New Year is another chance to get it right. Things don't go always on the way, but it doesn't end there. On the night of 31st December and the morning of 1st January, people in many countries all over the world will celebrate the beginning of New Year. So therefore, don't dishearten yourself, stand up and march ahead. विकल्प बहुत मिलेंगे मार्ग भटकने के लिए, संकल्प एक ही काफी है मंजिल तक जाने के लिए. New Year's resolution is a pledge or promise we make to ourselves. New Year's resolution are taken by most of the people on the first day of the year. These resolutions can be anything from achieving a fitness goal to learning a skill or just being thankful in little things in life. Now Hanjika of class 8D will deliver the resolution for coming year 2021.
Good morning. As we all know, 2020 was a tough year economically, emotionally, and mentally, but it taught us many lessons right from the value of each day in our life to our roles. Being a part of this community, we became more responsible, aware, and skillful. While we are moving to the next phase of our life, let's take an oath to take all the good learnings forward, practicing what 2020 taught us in 2021 too. I resolve to take all the corona precaution guideline so that I do not risk neither mine or nor others' life. I resolve to create a good balance between life and education. I resolve to do at least 30 minutes of exercise and yoga. I resolve to care Mother Earth by minimize the use of plastic as I can. Thank you.
After this, Yashika Seni of class 7C will represent the glimpses of 2020.
Good morning, everyone. Wish you all a very happy new year. As we enter year 2021, let's look back at the major happening of year 2020. Let's talk about the most controversial virus of year 2020, that is COVID-19, which affected all the people around the globe. Italy has witnessed the highest number of deaths due to COVID-19 in the world, followed by United States of America, India, and almost every country around the globe. Joe Biden was the 46th president of United States of America, along with Kamala Harris as the first brown vice president of the states. The 2020 Indian Farmers Protest is in protest against the three Farms Acts which were passed by the Parliament of India in September 2020. The sky watchers have been captivated by the great conjunction between the Jupiter and Saturn that took place on Monday, December 21, 2020. New strain of coronavirus was detected in 8 European countries. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Hanshika and Yashika. In the year 2020, we have seen a new phase of life. This pandemic taught us many things and we are successfully coping up with all the difficulties, especially in the field of education. The online learning has proved itself a boon. Today we have organized a debate on the topic online learning versus offline learning. So for this, I would like to invite Bhavya and Karthik of class 9th A1 to keep their views in front of us.
I am Bhavya of class 9th A1. I am speaking in favor of offline classes.
Good morning. I am Karthik of class 9th A1. I am speaking in favor of online classes.
Offline classes are always better than online classes.
Could you explain about offline classes in more detail?
Sure, offline classes are more suitable for young students like us. Regular attendance in class helps our teacher monitor, interact with all of us, will be easier, we will be better disciplined, follow regular schedule and improves our physical fitness and mental alertness.
In my opinion, for online classes, I need not get ready and go to school. It saves my time and thus spending this time on walking and yoga.
I would like to add one more point to our debate that in offline classes we can directly share our views and clarify our queries with our teacher, thus getting our question answered right. Wait,
I take your point, but in online classes also, time will be given to each and every student and special attention will be given to each student and queries will be answered as well.
one important thing I want to highlight in this context that books and classroom notes are very useful for studying and passing exams. If we have done any mistake, the teacher can rectify it in the classroom itself.
In my opinion, for attending online classes, we need not carry books or classroom notes. We can save our files or books in our computer or phone.
I would like to emphasize a key point regarding guidance. Offline learning is more helpful due to continuous interaction with our teachers.
Really, it is a very good point, but I am afraid I am not satisfied. But you said in offline classes, teacher provide blueprint to us, but in online we can find various question paper provided by various teachers of the same subject.
Last but not the least, interaction with good teachers motivates students to achieve higher marks.
Yes, absolutely, it is right. But in online learning, with our teacher support, we can get different ideas through the search engine.
Thank you so much, Bhavya and Karthik, for this wonderful debate. Now, the students Sarika, Ekta, Tanushka Garg, Ria, and Dhanya of class 6th A1, Monarch of 6C, and Dia of 10th A will present the skit on the topic resolution.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन एंड हैप्पी न्यू ईयर स्टूडेंट्स। आप सबकी विंटर ब्रेक कैसी रही? आई थिंक सबने खूब एंजॉय किया होगा। तो आपने इस नए साल पर कोई ना कोई रेजोल्यूशन तो तैयार किया ही होगा। क्या एक एक करके आप मुझे अपने रेजोल्यूशन के बारे में बताएंगे?
मैम, ये रेजोल्यूशन क्या होता है?
बेटा, रेजोल्यूशन का मतलब है अपनी कोई एक बुरी आदत त्याग कर एक अच्छी आदत को अडॉप्ट करना। तो अब आप मुझे बताओ कि इस नए साल पर आप क्या क्या नया करना चाहोगे?
मैं कल से सुबह जल्दी उठकर नहा धोकर अपने बड़ों की और भगवान की पूजा किया करूंगा और अपने परिवार के लिए समय दिया करूंगा।
मैम, मैं सारा दिन पढ़ती रहती हूँ। कल से मैं योगा या फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज शुरू करूँगी ताकि मैं अपने शरीर को ज़्यादा एक्टिव बना सकूँ।
मैम, मैं कल से अपनी एक बुरी आदत झूठ बोलने को त्याग दूंगा और जीवन में कभी भी झूठ नहीं बोलूँगा।
मैम, मैं खेल कूद में कम और पढ़ने में ज़्यादा समय बिताऊंगी ताकि मैं कक्षा में प्रथम आ सकूंगी।
मैम, मैं अपने कमरे और आसपास की सफाई का पूरा ध्यान रखूंगा और अनावश्यक वस्तुओं और कपड़ों को किसी जरूरतमंद बच्चों को दे दूं ताकि उसे भी खुशियां मिल सके।
मैम, मैं कल से सुबह जल्दी उठकर नहा धोकर भगवान की पूजा करूंगी और ज़रूरतमंद लोगों की मदद किया करूंगी।
मैम, मैं खाने पीने की व्यर्थ चीज़ों में पैसे खर्च करने की बजाय थोड़े
मुबारक मुबारक, मेरी जिंदगी में आया नया साल, मेरी जिंदगी में आया नया साल। मेरे यीशु का है ये कमाल, मेरे यीशु का है ये कमाल। नया साल हो मुबारक, नया साल हो मुबारक।
यीशु का है ये कमाल, मेरे यीशु